Homicide. Abandoned bikes we ride. Pedal slide. Yeah. Ooh.
This is a Line Prime Beat production.
Got the production, kid, you got the intervention in the song. What you saying, kid? I'm number one. Abandoned bikes all my life, I rebuild them. You couldn't even instill in them. This is stolen stuff. Logan's buff, he likes to steal bikes. He puts them together and knocks the pedals right. He's got the gears, he has no fears. He'll go at 23, he's no queer. He'll keep it on like he's doing it on. Keep the Logan, build the bike every night. He's got the gear shifters, he's doing it right. He strap them on with the chrome and he'll do it right. Pedals down the streets, he pedals down, slip on skeet. He's got some meat that'll beat. He likes to get down every goddamn week. Logie, yo, what you saying, ho? Don't even know me, yo. I'm Big Dad, I'll send you in the right direction. Stiff back set, back erection. Mend a bessin'. I'll infest you like penicillin. I'm just illin', I'm just chillin'. On my bike, dirt bike, like every night. Come on, kid, stop stealing bikes. You only building trikes. The only thing that's better is dudes wearing cashmere sweaters, little cardigan pullovers, butthole comb-overs, pubic runovers. Dumb shit done over. Come on, Logie, what you gonna do? Why don't you go steal a bike or two? Kid, you know me, I know you. Step back, son, I know what to do. Let me show you what's an abandoned bike. Don't be stealing everything, right? You know what's better, what's nice. Diamondback-ish when you don't care. Just pull back your hair. Ride into the night, ride into it right. Ride into it, stop another motherfucker from stealing a bike. You know what's right. Come on, Logie, you know what's right. Stop stealing motherfucking bikes. Put the lock on it. Put the lock on it. Go, girl. My son will steal your bike. My son does what it does. He don't know wrong from right. Yeah, boy. He likes to steal bikes. It's called abandoned bikes. And do it every night. Yeah, woo!